Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clear cache here in Brave browser. So cache serves as like temporary data so that the next time you go there, it will be more seamless, the process. It is stored storage on your device, so it might slow down a bit. So and also like there's some privacy issues over there, so on the upper right corner, click these three horizontal lines and then go to settings. On the left side, go to privacy and security. Click delete browsing data. So what's important is to have this checked, so the cached images and files. So you can choose the time frame from here, like last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days. So of course, like the longer the time frame, the more that would be deleted and like more storage for you and faster browsing. So just click delete from this device and there you have it. As you can see, the last R cache is now deleted. Thank you and see you in the next video.